The two ladies in the last, they're not interested. I'm not coming.
Okay, so you already know about her, but I'm going to introduce her from another angle. So, Sneh Malhotra is also a member of BNI chapter, where she is prominently doing a great job as a feature presentation coordinator. But one of her breakthrough is she recently created a system where BNI works on referral, another AI-driven system which is really helping BNI members across the alliance. So can we give it up for her? Thank you. So today, she is going to demonstrate to you how one simple idea can transform your course content, presentation and marketing creative using Canva AI. How many of you have used Canva AI? Okay, great. So now you're gonna get some learning, some breakthrough. So let's give her what level of applause?
Level 10!
Level 10! Let's go!
For such a warm welcome, and thank you members for appreciating our efforts and being here on the launch day. It's a very big day for all of us, and it's the new beginning for us, isn't it?
Yes!
Okay, so now I have one question. How many of you had ideas, had concepts to be taken care of in terms of courses, but have not started? I'll not ask the question yet, ma'am. But have not started recording it, taking webinars. Who are the ones? Can I see the hands, please? A lot of people. So believe me, I was also at the same stage when I rejoined SIDS in Christmas Eve. That was an intuition, not an intention rather. But then I really wanted to rejoin him and see how I can do more into that. That was a December Eve. I joined there, and I remember hackathon was happening lately. And at night, 11:30, SIDS said, record your reels, post it right now. Imagine 11:30 p.m. I'm obviously not well dressed because for me it was the first time. Background was not right. I was very nervous. I've never recorded reels ever in my life. Never have I ever. But then that day I said, I have to surrender to my mentor. Brain in the freezer, right? BFA. Write BFA in the chat. That's what I did. I said, no matter what, chak de fatte. And I recorded it, I posted it, and I can't believe. At that time also I was getting the likes, shares. It was very small topic I was talking about that day. But then I realized the power. Then I realized people are connected, but we are not asking for it. Stranger secret, everybody listens. Who all listen every day? Right? So what do we say? You ask and you will receive. And believe me, there are counselors who have been supporting me, and they know the miracles have been happening in my life because of this. The consistency I maintained. I surrendered to SIDS, our mentor. Whatever he says, don't think, just do it. Because we don't know what is coming. But if we are aligned, definitely we will get what we ask. So that's how I met a friend. Because I was recording reels, I was very conscious what to do. It will not look professional. Will people come to me, the target audience? Then I met a friend called Canva AI. So Canva AI is a platform where you can do all in one. You can create your courses, you can create your PPTs, you can even edit your videos, you can edit your pictures, create your posters, create anything you want, and it's already available. So today, अभी हम लोगों ने सब सुना, mindset सुना, so we are focused on the concept we want to create, right? Then we heard about the structures Anna was telling us. So now we are aware how we have to structure the things. Now today we will do it right now, right here. So the challenges, like I was talking about, everybody faces. Can you highlight this person, please? He's sleeping. Is this too boring, sir? Okay, so many coaches want to learn courses, but they get stuck because, of course, the content structuring confusion. I hope ये आज clear हो गया with Sadaf and Sanjeev's sessions, right?
Yes.
Now there is no confusion?
No.
Designing slides, that we will see right now. Then creating marketing creatives. We have one more session coming after this. Yogesh will tell you about the same. And a few things I will tell you with the Canva how it can be done. But the concept wise, he would be an expert teaching you for the same. Then lack of time. Like I said, we think 11:30 we should not do it, but believe me, when you have something coming in your mind which can help the community, do it that time itself. Don't wait for the right time.
I have one question.
Question can be taken afterwards.
We can take a question after. We'll have the session for that.
We'll do that.
Okay. So, like I was saying, we have the we have this subconscious mindset that we should not record it at a particular time. But sometimes ideas come like that. Like I do a lot of mindfulness in the morning, early mornings. That is the time when I get aligned and I feel ये content देना चाहिए. This would really help somebody somewhere. And अगर उससे मैं ये सोचूं कि ठीक है जब right time आएगा, right dress up होंगी तभी recording करूँगी, it will not help. तब तक वो idea कहीं ना कहीं fade हो जाता है या time miss हो जाता है. So why not do it right then, right there, and use the tools. AI tools are the enablers for us these days. Don't use it as a replacement, but use it as an enabler. It can empower you. You can edit it later. Don't believe in perfectionism, like Nada was also mentioning. 50 बार बना के फिर एक release करना will not help. Let's do it. Version 1 is better than none. That's what it says us, right? So that's we have to believe in. The AI shift in course creation is today AI tools are changing the game. The whole game has been changed with AI. AI tools can help coaches structure content faster, design slides automatically, repurpose your content for social media also. And for that, one powerful tool we have is the Canva AI Magic Studio. Has anybody used the Magic Studio in Canva?
Yes.
Few of them I can see. Only few have raised their hands. So I think that it's a good topic to take up so that you are also aware how you can do it quickly.
Yes.
This is the Canva Magic Studio I'm talking about. So it has 3 features, although it has a lot of features, but today I will be taking up only 3. One is the Magic Write, which we will do it right now. Another one is the Magic Design, and third is the Magic Resize. So when I talk about Magic Write, please open your phone, open your canvas right away. When you open it, click the create button. There is a plus sign. Can you click on the create button and click on the doc? Because we want to create a course outline today. Have you opened the doc option? Please raise your hand who have already done it, have opened the doc options. Right? So there is a pen with a star on the bottom. Can you see that? The pen with a star in the bottom.
Internet is no.
Okay.
You can write it down then.
Otherwise, I will share it as well. I will share the prompts, I will share the steps as well. So basically, when you click on that pen icon with a star, which is magic option, it opens your Magic Write. And then you have to write this prompt. Like I wrote, create outline for 3-day course on LinkedIn growth for coaches. ये जो outline बन गया है, I will share it with you also. How you can use LinkedIn for visibility, for influencing and getting your leads. So it has actually given me the whole plan of action, the game for the LinkedIn. Okay. Similarly, whatever niche you have, you can write the same prompt. Create outline for a 3-day course on maybe health and fitness coaching. So depending on your niche, you just write the prompt, and automatically, like here you can see, it will show you. When you click on the generate button after writing the prompt, it will show you module 1, module 2, module 3. So all your 3 modules outline are ready. Okay? So अगर आपका अभी चल रहा है, then it would really help you. Otherwise, आप please आज जाके करेंगे. I will raise a poll and I want everybody who has come today will complete this activity. Can I get this promise?
Yes.
So within seconds, when you get the outline, now what next we have to do? We have to design it, right? So then we will use the magic design option. Whenever you open your doc or even a presentation, so the steps which I'm telling you can be utilized for creation of your presentation, the PPTs also. Okay? You can use the magic design. There's an option whenever you open a document or anything, automatically there's an option called on the left, generate design. There are automatically readily available templates also, but when you say generate design, it will actually refer to the content outline and accordingly customize it to give you the right template. So this will create your design within few seconds. This will really help to save your time. Then the next option is magic resize. Your content is ready. Don't you want to publish on your social media? Right? We want to create that visibility, that this is what we are teaching. Please come here, right? Where all you want to put that? Can anybody tell me? What all platforms you do that? Instagram, LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, short videos. So do you know this Canva can do it for all these platforms you mentioned and even more, right? So you can use this platform. There is an option called resize, like in the previous screen. There is an icon, this resize option. This resize option, when you will use same content, same thing, you can have in a different size so that you can paste it across your different platforms. So you don't have to spend time to again and again, creation of the creatives again and again for the different platforms. So one content, 5 outputs. Isn't it good?
Yes.
Isn't it powerful?
Yes.
I can't hear.
Yes.
So you can post it a LinkedIn carousel as well, not only a normal post. It creates a carousel too. And even your Facebook stories, Facebook posts, everything. Then this is your key takeaway for today. Open the Canva, use your magic right, generate the outline of your 3-day course, and please do it today. That would actually help you achieve your step 1 in your goal today, which was the content creation concept behind the theme for the day. Because in today's AI era, success will not depend on who knows more, but who executes faster.
Yes.
It's a highly competitive area. We have to be fast. Don't wait for perfection. Just do it and see how it goes in the market. Let's move closer to the milestones of Freedom Finisher, Hall of Fame, and 1 crore champions. And this is what we talked about today. This is the final flow. You have an idea, the course topic. You used Magic Write to write it. You used Magic Design to design it. And Resize to create a visibility across the 5 platforms. And publish and grow.